The camera dives 200 feet down into the murky lake. The bottom is not rock, but hundreds of feet of soft,
watch your footing up there.
This one is secure. Send up the next bundle.
Keep it moving to the left. Fill that corner first. Copy that. Moving left. The top slab, the lid, is cast. The pontoon is now a sealed, hollow concrete box.
Up the Pacific coast, into the Strait of Juan de Fuca, and down into Puget Sound.
Watch the starboard side. Get those lines ready. They're closing the gates.
Ropes are secure, Captain.
We have perfect alignment on the longitudinal axis.
Reading confirmed. We are good to go.
The spine of the bridge grows. Pontoon after pontoon is joined, forming a mile-long concrete island.
A little to the left.
Okay, easy now, easy.
All right, set it down.
Easy now, bring it down slow. Watch the edge. All right, she's settling in place. The bridge isn't straight. It has a gentle curve.
An electronic water sensor is installed on the floor. If a crack appears, the control room will know instantly.
At the ends of the floating section, the transition spans are built. These connect the floating bridge to the fixed land columns.
The massive steel hinge mechanism allows the floating bridge to move up, down, and sideways.
Keep coming down just a few more inches.
We're clear. It's home.
On the Seattle side, tall fixed columns are built on land to carry the highway over the wetlands to the floating section.
Alignment looks good. Bring it down easy.
Copy that. Slow descent.
Watch the west side. Clear, clear. Bring that beam down slow. Watch the clearance on the right. Copy that. Coming down.
Bring it down easy. Watch your left side. Copy that. Coming down slow. All right, clear the hook. Look at the compression on that seal. It's perfect. Yeah. The alignment is spot on.
This should handle the thermal expansion easily. This compression is how the joint absorbs the bridge's thermal expansion.
Pull it tighter on your end. Okay, got it. Securing this section now.
A latex-modified concrete overlay is poured on the roadway surface. This is a durable, waterproof wearing layer.
How long are we keeping the blankets on this section?
We need at least 7 days to ensure proper hardening before we can remove them.
All right, watch the starboard side. You got 3 inches clearance. Lower it slowly.
The final pontoon is bolted and grouted. The bridge is now one continuous ribbon from shore to shore.
The thermal imaging confirms the stress points we discussed.
All right, let's cross-reference that with the latest drone survey data before we head inside.
Tension levels are spiking on cable 4. Cross-reference the structural load immediately.
Already on it. We're hitting the yellow zone.
There it is, right on the mark.
Confirmed, exactly as predicted. Easy now, bring it left just a foot.
Holding steady, coming down.
Looks good from here, set it down.
The anchor bolts look secure. Are the measurements matching the schematic?
Yes, they align perfectly. The retrofit capacity is confirmed.
The lake is glass calm. The bridge reflection is perfect.
Welcome aboard, everyone. We are officially open.